today we're introducing an all new program called Oracle Support Rewards. And Oracle Support Rewards allows you to repurpose your support spending and get credits as you do that, as you use the Oracle Cloud. So for every dollar you spend in OCI on running a workload, we'll refund 25 cents of your support fees. Oh, and by the way, if you're a ULA customer, if you have one of these unlimited license agreements with Oracle, the discount is not 25 cents on the dollar. The discount is actually 33 cents on the dollar. You're spending a significant amount of money with us, getting the new features for your on-premise software, your licenses, all of your licenses, wherever you're using those licenses. You could be using them in a cloud with BYOL, or you could be using them on-premise. They could be using them in a different cloud, not the Oracle Cloud. This allows you to reclaim the money you're spending for our support services when you spend money in OCI. That's new. Now, it's interesting. I didn't make up these examples. They were made up for me. And I think someone just had in mind, maybe I wasn't, to keep them very simple so I could understand them. So please don't be offended. These are extremely simple numbers to understand. They were done primarily, I guess, for my benefit. Okay, so let's say you're paying Oracle $1 million in annual support fees, and you go out and spend $2 million at OCI. You move a couple of large-scale workloads to OCI, and that's a $2 million spend. Well, again, 1/4 of $2 million is $500,000, 25 cents, 25%. You've now reclaimed half of your support fees with a relatively, small commitment to OCI. So this adds up very, very quickly. Another example, and by the way, our customers have been asking for this for a long time. I think everyone we've talked to is extremely excited about the fact, they're spending a lot of money on the support bills. Now they have the option of getting some or all of that money as credits towards the cloud. And here's another example. Again, same thing. You're paying us $1 million, but now instead of moving $2 million worth of work to OCI, you move $4 million worth of work. I can do the math pretty easily. 25% of $4 million is right around $1 million. So your support bill goes to zero. But these support bills go to zero pretty fast. And as I say, I can't tell you how many customers have talked to me about a program like this being something they really has wanted us to do for a while. And now we're doing it. Okay, this one's interesting because this is not true of just public cloud. So yes, you get Oracle Support Rewards when you move to the public cloud, but you also get Oracle Support Rewards when you move to Clouded Customer. Our largest scale Clouded Customer is called a dedicated region. In other words, anything you can run in the public cloud, you can run in a dedicated region. In fact, a dedicated region is just a small version of our public cloud we install in your data center behind your firewall. Other than that, it is identical to any of our regions. It has all of the services. Let me emphasize that. 100% of the services. It is 100% compatible. Our hybrid cloud, what is that customer and what is in the public cloud are identical. They're not just compatible. They're exactly the same. Anyway, if you decide that you're going to go ahead and take advantage of our compatible hybrid cloud, and you install a dedicated region behind your firewall, and there's a minimum fee for that, and that's a $6 million a year fee, and 25% that is $1.5 million. So you zero out $1.5 million of that. Basically, the $6 million fee goes down to $4.5 million because you get $1.5 million of that back as support credits. So it's a big deal. Almost all of our customers have potential for significant savings by taking advantage of the Oracle Support Rewards program. And again, I think they're pretty excited about it. By the way, I want to be clear, the Oracle Support Rewards program can be combined with OCI volume discounts. It's not like if you get support rewards, you don't get anything else. So you get the support rewards, and then in addition, you get, and this is our standard published price list. This is another thing I told you our customers wanted us to do. We'd like standard prices, please. We'd like low standard list prices. And if you look at our cloud, our infrastructure prices are the lowest of anybody. They're lower than Google, they're lower than Microsoft, they're significantly lower than AWS. So we have very low standard list prices for infrastructure services. We have a published volume discount where here you are, once you're spending $1 million, your volume discount is 10%. Once you're up to $5 million, it's 15%. But then you combine that 15% with the 25% you get from support rewards, and that's a pretty sizable discount at 40%. So these two discounts interact with one another. They add up. They add up to significant savings off our already lowest list prices in the industry with the Oracle Cloud. So again, it's a matter, the prices are low. There's no complicated negotiation to get be able to take advantage of these discounts. It's all simple to use, frictionless, published list prices, published volume discount, published support awards, available to everybody. So again, our customers have said this is the favorite program in terms of cost savings that we've come up with ever since we've moved to the cloud. But rather than me telling you that, I'll let them tell you.
Thank you so much for this opportunity to talk about our wonderful partnership that Cognizant has with Oracle. It's been in existence for well over 20 years. We've built out an extensive consulting, implementation, integration, and support practice that really enables our joint clients to realize their modernization vision. But not only do we believe in Oracle as a partner and solution provider, we too are also an Oracle client. We've relied on Oracle for many of our core systems. So we're currently moving many of these on-prem systems to the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So we're really excited about the new Oracle Support Rewards program, and we're eager to spread the word to all of our clients. It really makes it a lot easier for us to transition to the cloud and also bolsters the wonderful relationship Cognizant has with Oracle.
Specialized is a global manufacturer of bikes and components. The pandemic has brought a new wave of riders, and we need to keep up with double, triple, and even quadruple the normal seasonal demand. Through Oracle's support, we were able to easily move our Oracle E-Business Suite ERP, including over 150 custom integrations, to a highly available OCI environment across multiple cloud regions. We have seen 50x increases in online and internal transactional processing and data warehouse batch processing. And in fact, we had our CFO make a comment about a month and a half ago stating they've had the fastest close ever in the history of Specialized in regards to performance and transactions. The support from Oracle is exceptional, and the promise of Oracle Support Rewards is exciting. We look forward to more collaboration and a strategic partnership with Oracle.
Experian is a global leader in data analytics. We put the consumer at the heart of everything we do. We leverage Oracle products in our data centers today to fuel our ERP environments, to fuel our financial reporting, and also to fuel some of our products and some of our innovation. Working with Oracle will enhance our capabilities for data processing and analytics in the cloud. Oracle Support Rewards is extremely important. It takes a lot of friction out of moving workloads to the cloud. It makes that business case that you're struggling to put together easier. What I'm really excited about is what Oracle's cloud brings that other cloud providers don't have.
BBVA is a global financial service group with a customer-centric vision. We have over 80 million customers worldwide. We use techniques such as natural language processing, machine learning, and advanced analytics to industrialize the way that we use behavioral economics. Oracle has provided us with a complete technological platform. With the Vela project, we have been able of improving one of our main KPIs by 200% while reducing the deployment time of campaigns by 40%. We truly look forward to further developing of Vela with Oracle and also doing more projects with Oracle Cloud.
TIM Brasil is a major telecommunication operator in Brazil with more than 61 million customers. But for sure, we are the most innovative player in Brazil. We are undergoing an important cloud transformation to improve our environmental, social, and governance practices. Using a multi-cloud strategy, we are the first carrier in Brazil to move 100% of our workloads to the cloud. It includes moving our customer billing system, our CRM, and VMware to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Oracle has been a fantastic partner in our technology evolution. The newly launched Oracle Support Rewards program has potential to help further accelerate our adoption of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure while reducing our support costs.
Everything is now focused around supporting the customer and the customer's migration to the cloud. The sales teams have large groups of support people and technical people that will help you with that migration. Our engineering teams will help you with that migration. And our finance teams, through the Oracle Support Rewards program, will also help you cost justify that migration. Thank you very much for joining us here today. And we're looking forward to working with you in your migration to the cloud. Thank you very much.